So they went from $484 to $2,600 to $6,308 in sales. When you are aiming for such launches, you have to make sure that your product listing is optimized on regular basis in terms of ranking for more keywords. Getting 1 sales through ads, you should aim for getting 4 sales through PPC in the next 3 months. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Sami Akhtar. I am the founder of REGRO Media, a full service Amazon marketing agency where we are managing 60 plus brands with 35 plus team members. Soon it is going to be 54. Now today I have brought in a very cool case study of a product launch. Now this is a client that joined with us in October and we helped them to launch their product. He was having only one product and we launched them. Now in October, their sales were around $484. In November, it went to $2,600. And in December, they have crossed $6,200 in sales, while reducing the ACOS from 151% to 77% to 45%. Now, let me just show you their sales, how they're doing right now. So if I just show you their October sales, you can see October, they've done $484 in sales. Here you can see $484 in October. Now, if I just show you their November sales, first November to 30th November, here you can say $2,604. $2,604 in sale in November. Now, if I just show you how they did in December, so it will be December 1st to 31st. December 1st, 31st, you can see they have done $6,318 in sales. So they went from $484 to $2,600 to $6,308 in sales in just a couple of months, while reducing the ACOS from 151% to 77% to now 45%. Obviously, this is in a launch phase. Now, what we did for this account, now let me just show you the ads. So here you can see their ads. If I just show you from October to November, here you can see their ACOS is around 156%. Whereas if I just show you the last 30 days, how the ACOS has been, so the last 30 days their ACOS have been 56%. So that is how they are growing right now in terms of their ACOS and their sales. So obviously for this particular account, what we have done is we have done the images were really good. We have optimized their main image, the reviews, the A+ content, the brand story. Obviously, when you are aiming for such launches, you have to make sure that your product listing is optimized on regular basis in terms of ranking for more keywords. Now, when we rank, we are targeting, let's assume you're ranking for only 200 keywords. Now that is very less. If you're getting 1 sales through ads, you should aim for getting 4 sales through PPC in the next 3 months. Now, we always aim to get ranked for 2,000 to 3,000 organic keywords in the next 3 months. That is how we optimize the listing from the front end to the back end to the alt text to make sure that the listing is indexed properly for all the keywords, long tail and short tail, that is responsible. Now for this account, I have told you that it was 45%, but it is 56% in ACOS, which started from 151%, 77%, now at 56%, which is really good because it is still in the launch phase. The review numbers are still low. All the products are in Vine. We are trying to get, now for this particular product, review numbers are really low and we are still trying to get more reviews out of it. So that was it for this video. Now, if you want a free audit of your listing, a personalized video, our team member will do it for your particular account. Let us know. The link is below. Connect with us and we'll love to do an audit of your listing. Thank you so much. See you again.